got a bonus there. Let's go. You're good, you're good. Timber gold. All right, every trigger.
12?
Nice, nice. All right, let's go, let's go.
It's kind of like buffalo a little bit, right?
Yeah, but it's actually yeah, it is. It's changing us the the imagery to symbols or whatever.
Whoa,
Whoa, that was nice. That was nice. Let's see what we got there. What does that
That's
mean?
450.
Ooh. Yeah, right. 450. Oh shit, we doing good.
Definitely going home after this.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
If you need something truly delicious, head on over to RW Fried Restaurant,
Hmm?
located on the second floor.
Nice, nice. We're doing. Oh, I got you a little bit there. Nice.
To a wide selection.
Ooh, man. Let's slay them today. Let's go. That's 300. Wow. Wow. And we got a little bunch of free games over there. All right, let's go, baby. 900. All right, let's go, let's go, let's do it. Whoa, again?
No, not owl.
The owl came in there, right?
That's a retrigger.
That's it, is it?
Oh, maybe not. I don't know. I
Uh,
thought 2 owls is a retrigger. No, maybe not.
Holy shit.
That's 100.
Times 5.
That's 105.
No.
Yeah, gameplay is
It's
105.
under 5. Yeah, all right. Got a chance to win some big money here, man. Let's go. Yeah, the owls keep falling in between, you know?
I don't know what that bag is for.
It says collect for credit, so I don't know. So we had 1,000 right now. We're hoping to make 2,000. Let's go. We're being greedy right now, so take all what you get.
I'm jinxing my thing.
Yeah, that bag keep adding, so I don't understand the bag.
Down all the money.
Got 4 more games. All right, let's go, man. Let's go.
200.
It's another 200. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, it's another 200 there. All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 2 more spin. Let's make him count. Hell yeah. All right, last one. Make it big. Make it big. Now let's see what that bag is. So we hit what? We end at 1,300. So now we got to pick. See? Oh, okay, okay. Let's go. I guess you get all the bags. You do get all the bags. Ooh, ooh. Hit the hit the diamond, bro. Hit the diamond. All right.
How does that matter?
Oh shit. There's some more bags?
No.
Oh, 1,400, bro. Yeah, man. Timberwolf came through. You came through. That's it. You're in the tax bracket right now. Nice. Flip that ticket over. Let me see what you got there. Good job. Good job.